Welcome back to Wandering Wellies, where we don't mind getting a little bit muddy, go out and enjoy the outdoors and enjoy a cuppa as well. Today is not raining, so we're just gonna go to our local nature reserve. It's only about 10 minutes walk from our house and you wouldn't even feel like you're actually in London. We love going there for a little picnic. And this is a private school on the other side. It's not bad, is it? They've got massive piece of land as well to go with it. And this is where we're gonna go down. Welcome to Mary Hill Field. We are in Bushy, Hertfordshire, which is in the outskirts of London, and it's not very far from us at all, and it's part of the Woodland Trust, this beautiful park. There is also an orchard in this park, and also they have cattle. So I think when we came a few months ago, then I think we counted quite a few of them, and they had some calves as well. This is really a dog walker's paradise, and we love coming here as well. We love our picnics, and we pick berries and we pick apples when it's season as well. Just the little things to appreciate in life. You know, when you've got a little bit of greenery where you live, you'd be surprised really. So it's always worth checking it out. If there is anywhere that you can go, you can just kind of relax and get away from the hustle and bustle of busyness of everyday life. So this is the orchard, part of the orchard, the beginning of the orchard really. And you can see a slight elevation as well. So let me know in the comment if you know what this fruit is. I know what it is in Hungarian. I'm not quite sure, so make sure you pop it in a comment. So this park is part of the Woodland Trust, and it actually says Mary Hill Fruit Field. And there are quite a few benches around as well. So it's good to kind of, when we walk up from the bottom, we always like sitting on this bench, and it's actually a very popular bench. We have a daughter, Ella, and she's almost 9. And she absolutely loves coming here, and there is actually a bench and we call it the Ella bench. So whenever we come, we always have to sit there and have our snacks there and our sandwiches when the ground is too wet to kind of put down a picnic blanket. So this is the Ella bench where we normally have our picnic. It's a really cute one, perfect for kids. Whoever put it here had a great idea. So this is still part of the orchard. You might be able to see some leftover apples and pears. I don't actually know if anybody picks these fruit as well. I think there is an allotment behind this area. So a little bit of the history of this lovely place. It used to be a farmland, probably growing hay. It was growing hay for London's expensive horse-drawn traffic in the 19th century, and the Woodland Trust acquired the area in 1996. The area itself is about 76 hectares and mostly wooded area. It's got old trees and new trees and an orchard and open meadows as well. What's also quite nice about this place that the local community is very much involved, because when the Woodland Trust took this place, a lot of people from the local community and kids were as well involved in planting some new trees. Not only the trees, but the woodland species, the woodland creatures are very cute and quite important in this area. We do have a lot of brown long-eared bats that are actually hibernating at the moment, but we do see a lot of little wooden houses that obviously that's where they live. We see them on various trees, and also there are loads of green woodpeckers around and bird of prey as well. The green woodpeckers are actually the biggest woodpeckers around, so yeah, it is really sweet, and it's really good to know that there is an extensive woodland life here as well. Not only the beautiful trees and the greenery and the grassland. So we are just coming up to this pile of stone, which is a mound of stones built as a memorial or landmark in the center of the grassland, which is made out of local pudding stone and erected to commemorate the new millennium. The signs of cows. So apparently pudding stones are very traditional in this area, and I think in Essex as well, and people use it for like art and craft as well. and making things out of it was quite nice and like sturdy, but it's really nice because it's something in the middle of a grassland. It's something quite significant. In the UK, it's quite common to see benches with some plaque on where people would be, it's more like a memorial bench, or sometimes I think when people probably donate money and they can have a bench with some special lovely writing. Normally I would call them memorial benches, and they are extremely handy, especially if there is a hill. So we are heading back now. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to check out when we went to Holly Island. We had a lot of fun. It will be linked after this video. I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Until then, enjoy the outdoors, enjoy getting muddy, and enjoy a cup of tea or coffee. Take care. See you in the next one. Goodbye for now.